Turmeric is a spice that's been celebrated in traditional medicine for centuries and has gained popularity in modern wellness discussions. Here are several reasons why incorporating turmeric into your daily diet might be beneficial. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the primary active compound in turmeric, has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions including heart disease, arthritis, and even some cancers, so reducing inflammation can contribute to overall health. Antioxidant benefits. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. This may protect cells from damage and support healthy aging, as oxidative stress is associated with several chronic diseases. Supports joint and bone health. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory qualities, turmeric may help ease joint pain and stiffness associated with conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of turmeric could potentially reduce the need for pain medication in certain individuals. Aids digestive health. Turmeric has traditionally been used to support digestion. It may stimulate bile production, which can improve digestion, particularly of fats. Some research indicates it could also help manage symptoms of bloating and gas. Potential brain health boost. Emerging research suggests that curcumin might increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. While more research is needed, these findings hint at possible benefits for memory and mood. Heart health. Some studies indicate that turmeric can help improve endothelial function, the health of the lining of your blood vessels, which is important for regulating blood pressure and preventing heart disease. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to overall cardiovascular wellness. Versatility in the diet. Beyond its health properties, turmeric is a flavorful addition to many dishes. It pairs well with a variety of foods, from curries and soups to smoothies and teas, making it relatively easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Golden milk, a popular beverage made with turmeric, milk, or a dairy-free alternative, and spices like cinnamon and ginger can be a comforting daily ritual. While turmeric is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts as part of food, high doses, especially in supplement form, may interact with certain medications or conditions. Incorporating turmeric into your daily diet can be a flavorful and health-promoting choice. But as with any dietary change, it works best as part of a balanced and varied diet. Subscribe for more health tips, and don't forget to share this with your tea-loving friends. Cheers to your health!